Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you just how easy it is to add a shadow to your image in Canva. Now you can use your own picture or you can use pictures from the Canva library. It's all up to you. But for this example I'll be using a personal image. Now I drag this image onto the Canva, and the first thing that I would need to do is remove the background from this image. And to do that, you need to make sure that the image is selected. Then you click edit photo, then BG remover. That's gonna remove the background from the image. Now once the image background is removed, all you need to do is click the shadow effect under the effects section, and this will easily add a background shadow to the image. Now you can choose whether you want it to glow or you want it to drop or just an outline. In this example we will just choose the drop feature, and you can see now that there's a shadow added to the image. Now you can stretch this all you want, and you can basically play around with these settings here. You can play around with the size. This is basically how big the shadow will be. You can play around with the blurriness, with the blur amount, how you want that, the angle, if you want it to be to the right side or the left side. It's up to you. It's really up to you how you want to do it. The distance of the shadow, you can play around with that as well. It's really up to you. The intensity, you can play around with that. It doesn't matter. You have the full flexibility to play around with how intense you want the shadow and which direction. And basically that's how easy it is to add shadows to your images in Canva. Guys, if you find value in this video, please give this video a like, and if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week like this one.